Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Hi everybody, we are happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very useful. We are talking about money.
Yes, we use money words every day, at the supermarket, at a restaurant, online, and even with friends.
This episode is perfect for A2 English learners.
We will practice simple English, useful phrases, and real-life conversations.
And remember, don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly. Just listen, repeat, and practice.
Also, if you enjoy this podcast, please like and subscribe.
It really helps us make more English lessons for you.
All right, let's start learning English together.
Part 1. Basic money words.
First, let's learn some simple money vocabulary.
Great idea. Here is our first word, cash.
Cash means physical money, paper money and coins.
Example, I paid in cash.
Listen again. I paid in cash.
Another example, I don't have cash today.
Good job. Now let's learn credit card.
A credit card is a card you use to pay.
Example, can I pay by credit card?
Listen again. Can I pay by credit card?
Very useful phrase.
Yes, you can use it in shops and restaurants.
Next word, change.
Change is extra money you get back.
Example, here is your change.
Listen again. Here is your change.
Nice and simple.
Now let's practice together.
Listen first.
I paid in cash.
Can I pay by credit card?
Here is your change.
Now you say them.
Great job.
You're improving already.
Part 2. Talking about prices.
Now let's talk about prices.
This is very important in daily life.
Here's a common question. How much is it?
Very useful. Example, how much is this bag?
Another example, how much is this coffee?
Listen again. How much is this coffee?
Now another phrase. It's expensive.
Expensive means something costs a lot of money.
Example, this phone is expensive.
Listen again. This phone is expensive.
The opposite word is cheap.
Cheap means low price.
Example, these shoes are cheap.
Listen again. These shoes are cheap.
Let's do a short dialogue.
Okay.
Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $20.
Oh, that's expensive.
Yes, but it is very good quality.
Nice conversation.
Very natural and simple.
Now let's repeat the key phrases.
How much is it?
It's expensive.
It's cheap.
Excellent work.
Part 3. Saving money.
Let's talk about saving money.
Saving money means keeping money for later.
Example, I am saving money for a new phone.
Listen again. I am saving money for a new phone.
Another example, she saves money every month.
Good habit.
Yes, very good habit.
Here is another useful phrase. I need to save money.
Listen again. I need to save money.
Maybe you say this after shopping too much.
Oh yes, I say that sometimes.
Me too.
Let's practice a conversation.
All right?
Do you want to eat at a restaurant tonight?
Not today. I need to save money.
That's okay. We can cook at home.
Great idea.
Very natural conversation.
And easy English too.
Remember, simple English is powerful.
Exactly. Part 4. Paying for food.
Now let's imagine we're at a restaurant.
Perfect. This is daily life English.
First phrase, can we have the bill, please?
In American English, people also say check.
Right. Can we have the check, please?
Listen again. Can we have the check, please?
Another useful question, do you take cards?
This means, can I pay with a card? Example, do you take cards?
Listen again. Do you take cards?
Let's do another dialogue.
Okay.
Excuse me, can we have the check, please?
Of course.
Do you take cards?
Yes, we do.
Great. Thank you.
Nice work.
These phrases are very common.
You can use them almost every day.
Part 8. Talking about work and salary.
Now let's talk about work and salary.
Salary means the money you get from your job.
Example, my salary is good.
Another example, she gets paid every Friday.
Listen again. She gets paid every Friday.
Here is another phrase, I work part-time.
Part-time means fewer work hours.
Example, I work part-time at a cafe.
Listen again. I work part-time at a cafe.
And full-time means regular work hours.
Example, he has a full-time job.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Okay.
Do you work full-time?
No, I work part-time.
Do you like your job?
Yes, and the salary is okay.
Great job, everyone. Keep listening and repeating. Part 6. Shopping conversations.
Shopping is a great way to practice English.
Definitely.
Here is a useful sentence. I'm just looking.
You say this when you do not want help.
Listen again. I'm just looking.
Another phrase, do you have a cheaper one?
Very useful for shopping.
Example, do you have a cheaper one?
Listen again carefully. Do you have a cheaper one?
Nice. Let's do a shopping dialogue.
Hello? Can I help you?
I'm just looking.
Okay.
Actually, do you have a cheaper one?
Yes, this one is cheaper.
Great. I'll take it.
Excellent conversation practice.
Part 7. Talking about spending habits. Let's talk about spending habits.
Good topic.
Spending habits are how we use money.
Example, I spend too much money on coffee.
Very real example.
Yes, many people do that.
Another phrase, I want to spend less money.
Listen again. I want to spend less money.
Here is another useful word, budget.
A budget is a plan for your money.
Example, I have a monthly budget.
Listen again. I have a monthly budget.
Let's practice together.
Do you have a budget?
Yes, I try to save money every month.
That's smart.
I also spend less on snacks now.
Very nice practice.
Part 9. Everyday banking English.
Now let's learn some banking English.
Don't worry, we will keep it simple.
First word is bank account.
Example, I opened a bank account.
Listen again. I opened a bank account.
Another phrase, I need to withdraw money.
Withdraw means take money out.
Example, I need to withdraw money from the ATM.
Listen again. I need to withdraw money from the ATM.
One more useful phrase, I want to deposit money.
Deposit means put money into the bank.
Example, she deposited money yesterday.
Great work.
These words are useful when traveling too.
Yes, very useful for real life.
Part 9. Listen, discuss, listen again.
Okay, everyone, now it's practice time.
First, just listen.
Hey, Ronald, do you want to go shopping?
Maybe later. I need to save money.
That's smart. I spend too much money on clothes.
Me too. Things are expensive these days.
Very true.
Now, let's discuss the conversation.
Ronald said, I need to save money.
That means I do not want to spend money now.
Good explanation.
Ronald said, things are expensive these days.
That means prices are high.
Now, listen again.
Hey, Ronald, do you want to go shopping?
Maybe later. I need to save money.
That's smart. I spend too much money on clothes.
Me too. Things are expensive these days.
Very true.
Excellent practice. Repetition helps your English grow faster.
Keep listening again and again.
Wrap up. All right, everyone. That's the end of today's episode.
Today we practiced many useful money phrases.
Like, how much is it?
I need to save money.
Can I pay by credit card?
And do you have a cheaper one?
These are real English phrases for daily life.
Remember, practice a little every day.
Small steps make big progress.
And don't be afraid to repeat lessons.
Repetition is powerful.
You are doing an amazing job.
Keep learning, keep listening, and keep speaking English.
Before we go, tell us in the comments,
What do you usually spend money on?
coffee, clothes, food, books?
We would love to hear your answers.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.